Hello my sweet friends and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I make my deviled eggs. I'm going to start off with cold water. I'm going to turn it up to high, and once this comes to a boil, I'm going to turn it off, put the lid on, and let it sit for 15 minutes. Cold eggs, cold water. All right, we've come up to a boil. I'm going to turn it off completely. I'm not going to remove it from the stove. I'm just going to let it sit there for 15 minutes. I actually ended up letting it sit for about 20 minutes because I was distracted with something. If you crack these right away, the peel comes right off. Some people put them in an ice bath. Sorry about the plane noise in the background. We live next to a small airport, and it's so beautiful today that we decided to open up the windows. Friends, my eggs are hard-boiled. They're done. They're good to go. And how I make my deviled eggs is with sweet relish, Miracle Whip, and mayonnaise, and I grate up a white onion or a yellow onion. Perfectly cooked. So what you want to do is scoop out all of the yolks into a bowl. I just cut mine right down the middle and kind of pop the yolk out. Ooh, you're still a little warm. Alright, so this is kind of like my secret. I think I learned this from Rachel Ray, but everybody loves my eggs. They are always asking for them. But this is what I do. Don't need much, just that little bit. Just a little bit of this. Nope. That's good. What are you doing?
Wasting the whole day away.
You want to come try this deviled egg?
Good.
It's good. It's good. Thank you so much for watching, friends. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this made you hungry, and I hope you try this recipe. I will see you in the next one. Bye.